This issue is an unboxing video of the Maserati GT Android console. The packaging is made of foam split packaging, which ensures the safety during transportation. .3 Android head unit, 9 climate control. The use of Qualcomm chips with Android 12 system intelligent central control will improve the driving comfort and appearance of the car. The package carries a variety of wiring, and the product also reserves a variety of interfaces to ensure the feasibility of a variety of functions of the product.